Out for a drive in the Devon MG right now just to show everything's working. All the gauges. Actually has an extra oil gauge for some reason. The oil pressure is over here. Everything else is working right now. Beautiful day here in Virginia on the back roads. Like an adult go-kart. Thing handles so flat. Very quick, absolute blast to drive.
Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome new viewers today and welcome back to previous viewers. I hope you all enjoy the video. Let's get started with this 1958 Devon MG, listed for $59,500 US in Lynchburg, Virginia. Its condition is listed as used good. And from the seller's description, 1958 Devon MG 295, built on a 1958 MGA chassis, MGB 1.8 liter engine, larger twin SU carburetors. Also included with the sale is an extra overdrive transmission. And up next we have a dune buggy listed for $8,500 US in Laurel Springs, North Carolina. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 4-speed, new built motor, new tires, on a 67 VW frame. Alright, here we have a 1969 Volkswagen Vocaro, listed for $7,500 US in Stockton, California. It is a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, VW Vocaro kit car on a 1969 pan, fun to drive. Okay, here we have a 1985 Lamborghini Countach, listed for $27,000 US in Morrow, Illinois. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 78 Corvette rear suspension, Fiero front suspension, 2-inch box tube chassis, 350 cubic inch small block Chevy, turbo 350 trans, fiberglass body from Imaginary Fiberglass, drivable car, 75% complete in primer, needs interior, paint, and door glass. And here we have a Laser 917, listed for $13,995 US in Mount Holly, North Carolina. It's been driven 3,500 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, laser Porsche 917 reproduction built on a 1973 VW Pan with a 1641 dual-port engine, 4-speed, super dependable, and can be driven anywhere. Alright, this is a 1927 Ford replica listed for $17,500 US in Beaver Creek, Oregon. It's listed in used good condition and from the seller's description. New tires and wheels, runs, title in hand. And up next we have this Bugatti Type 55 replica. It's a project listed for $2,000 US in Marana, Arizona. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly. Its condition is listed as used like new and from the seller's description. Bugatti kit car, looking to trade or sell. It doesn't have an engine or transmission, has not been road driven, no title. I am looking for a car hauler trailer between 14 and 18 feet in length. Alright, another project. This is a 1972 Volkswagen Baja truck kit only, listed for $1,500 US in Vero Beach, Florida. From the seller's description, this listing is for the fiberglass and steel kit to convert a standard Beetle into a Baja truck. This kit has been removed from the vehicle it was originally installed on and is currently a series of parts. VW Beetle is not included. Included are the Baja front end, truck cab area, and the steel frame that is the foundation for the truck bed, open to trades as well, VW or Jeep. Okay, here we have an Avenger GT40 listed for $40,000 Canadian in Sherbrooke, Quebec. From the seller's description, VW 1600cc engine, 4-speed manual, 4-disc brakes.
All right, go ahead. Running a little rich. Go ahead and rev it up.
And bringing up the rear, we have another dune buggy. This is a 1975 dune buggy, listed for $7,450 US in Arvada, Colorado. It's been driven 49,401 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1975 Fargo dune buggy, street legal, built VW pan, disc brakes, Colorado title, runs, drives, stops, and turns great. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.